Welcome friends. In this very important video, I am going to tell you my next targets of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and many other coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, my Telegram channel. And please like this video, please thumbs up this video and please join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video's description. Here you can see this is the Bitcoin Tether US 1 hour Binance chart. And here you can see Bitcoin is currently struggling within this rising channel. And these are the support level right now for the Bitcoin, and these are the resistance levels for the Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin break this symmetrical triangle towards downside at $35,500 level. After that we saw a dip and Bitcoin came to 28,733. After that we saw a pullback, and after that Bitcoin is currently in this rising channel, rising horizontal channel. Let me please calculate the target, and please stay in the video because I am going to tell you very important things in this video, and all targets I am expecting from Bitcoin, Ethereum and some other altcoins for immediate short term. Here you can see, if in any case Bitcoin break this downtrend line, which is currently at $31,150 level, for that point, if Bitcoin break 1 hour candle below this close 1 hour candles below this downtrend line, then definitely it is going to hit, I think so, let me please show you, 27,140. If it is not possible and Bitcoin pull back from that level, as previously we saw, here you can see, then Bitcoin maybe move up like this, and we will see some sideways action and rejections, and after that we may see Bitcoin is moving towards upside. But to be very realistic, I am not bullish right now in Bitcoin and Ethereum because of some major things that I saw in this see in this chart. Let me please show you. And if in any condition, first let me tell you the exact targets. After that I am going to tell you very important things. If Bitcoin move towards upside and close overly candle above this line, here you can see, from that point or from that point, this will be the indication that Bitcoin is ready to hit next all-time high. After that Bitcoin will definitely go to $39,720 level. If Bitcoin did this will be the indication that Bitcoin is ready to move towards upside and will definitely create a new all-time high. But this is not very certain right now, and this is not very, I think this is unlikely. This is very less likely to me, because I think the trend is our friend, and currently trend is for the bearers, and we have to wait and we have to watch very, very careful. Let me please show you my Bitcoin chart, and in which I will tell you next important things. Sorry for that. This is very, very, very important video, and I will definitely going to tell you some very important facts. Here you can see, this is the Bitcoin Tether 1 hour Bittrex chart. Here you can see Bitcoin break this symmetrical triangle towards downside, which is at this is 1 hour time frame, and Bitcoin break this at 33,450. After that we see a dump, after that we see a pump, and Bitcoin make this ascending triangle or a rising channel, and after that Bitcoin break this and we saw a 4.76% move towards downside, and after that Bitcoin make another rising channel, or you can say ascending triangle, and after this breakout and here you can see Bitcoin move 8.13% down. That is why I am telling you that this video is very, very important, because I have to show some very important things in this video. Please stay in the video and please thumbs up the like button, and for more informative content and very useful information that definitely I will bring for you. Let me please arrange the chart. Here you can see This is the one scenario that Bitcoin break this rising channel towards upside or downside. Then these are the targets. But only thing we have to remember is that the volume. Currently volume is not supporting any pump or dump. Here you can see volume is very low right now. Bitcoin must have high volume for this breakout or breakdown. Otherwise, let me tell you what is next to me. And let me please hide this, and here you can see. As you know, Bitcoin is struggling in this channel in between $34,000 to $38,000. I think let me please show you in the day chart, and here you can see the clear picture of this, and here you can see this is the day chart. Past 6 days Bitcoin is struggling between $34,000 to $30,000, and once Bitcoin break this with high volume, then definitely it will go to 27,000, and if break towards upside with high volume, then definitely it is going to hit $39,700 level. And let me please arrange this chart again, and please stay in the video. And please if you want to join Bybit or Binance Exchange, then links are in this video's comment section or in this video's description. Here you can see, if you want to get $600 bonus, then go to in this video's comment section, where you can find $600 bonus and can get a Bybit account link, affiliation link. Just click on this link and create your account and deposit and get these bonuses. Please read the detail below in this video's description. And if you want to open a Binance account, then please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can find the Binance link. Just click on this link and create your new account of Binance, and after that you will definitely trading many you will definitely trade many coins right now. Let's focus on the content right now, and let me please do this again. Here you can see, let me please arrange this, and then I am going to tell you very important thing right now. Bitcoin is currently struggling $34,000 to $30,000 level in these past 6 days, and this is the area, and $827 are Bitcoin is struggling in this level. And if Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance, which is at 30,000 right now, then let me please pull this. Then our next target will be definitely 37,000. This is the immediate short-term target. Let me please clone this. Then I will tell you how can it is possible. So please stay in the video. If Bitcoin break this towards downside and close hourly candle or 4 hourly candle below this downtrend down support line, which is at $30,100 level, then definitely it will go to it will go to, I think this is the level, $26,300. You can say 26,500 you can say. And if Bitcoin move towards upside and break this resistance which is at currently 34,000 and close hourly candle above this, or 4 hourly candle above this resistance line, which is at 34,000, then definitely it is going to hit 39,000 and let me please show you. Here you can see 37,878, and if this break toward downside, then 26,300. These are the levels, and these are the things I'm currently watching in this Bitcoin chart. Let me please show you my EMA ribbon. This is a 4-hour EMA ribbon, which is currently acting like a resistance for the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is struggling to break this EMA ribbon towards the upside. And this is the EMA ribbon is currently at $30,500 level. If any 4-hourly candle close above this EMA ribbon's upside or above, and here you can see this is the level, $30,600 level, then this will be the indication that we are now going to hit $37,000 and $800 level, or maybe we can hit Bitcoin can hit $39,700 level. These are the two targets currently I am waiting for, or I am seeing right now. And if Bitcoin break this rising channel towards downside and close hourly candle below this trend line, or 4 hourly candle below this downside support line, which is at currently 30,200 to 30,100, 30,100 to 30,300, then definitely this will be the indication that Bitcoin price will go down and will hit 26,300, maybe 26,500. These are the levels and these are the targets currently for me right now. Let me please show you my next chart, which is the I know that most of my subscribers are waiting for, and this is the Ethereum chart. Friends, I need your support. Please like this video and please comment if you want any coins technical analysis for long term or medium term, or for media short term. Then I will definitely make video for you. Here you can see this is the Ethereum US dollar 4 hour chart. And in my yesterday's video, I was told you Ethereum was in this rising channel or ascending triangle. And here you can see how beautifully Ethereum hit my target, break this towards downside and hit this. And this was the move. Let me please show you. Ethereum break this and Ethereum go down to here. You can see this was the move of 6.7%. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade as I predict. And now the main question is that what is the next target for me right now for Ethereum? Currently, I am waiting for two scenarios. Let me please very clear, and let me please remove this first, and then I will definitely going to tell you the next exact target according to me. When Ethereum break this rising channel towards downside, then I set the target $1,242. But currently here you can see this is the main support, which is at $1,280 level. If Ethereum break this support towards downside, then definitely it is going to hit my target $1,242 level. If Ethereum pull back from here, then we may see some sideways action like this, or maybe it will hit $1,450 level. But here you can see, let me please show you. Let me please do this. This is the day chart of Ethereum, and here you can see Ethereum is currently struggling in this horizontal box, or you can say horizontal level, box area, you can say. Past 3 days, Ethereum is struggling to break this towards upside or downside, but fails. Let me please show you how what I am thinking right now. Let me please arrange this. Let me please wait, and please stay in the video, and please thumbs up the like button, and please join my Telegram channel. Link is in this video description, and please subscribe my channel. Let me please show you. This is the data range, and here you can see $170 move is enough for Ethereum right now. And Ethereum is struggling to break this upside resistance, which is at $1,450 level, and downside support, which is $1,280 level. We can say if Ethereum break this horizontal resistance, which is at $1,450, you can say, and close 4 hour candle above this resistance, and let me please, then our next target for the Ethereum, let me please show you. $1,629 is in condition. If Ethereum break this 4 over this resistance, which is at currently $1,450 level, and close 4-hour candle above this, and after that Ethereum go up and retest again. Here you can see, and at that, and if Ethereum pull back from this level, then definitely it will go to $1,600 level to $1,613 level. Otherwise, we may see some sideways action in Ethereum right now, and if Ethereum break this 4-hour this support line and close 4-hour candle below this resistance support line, which is currently at $1,280 level, then definitely Ethereum is going to hit this. Let me please show you. This is the target, and it is 1100. Currently I am waiting for these two scenarios. If Ethereum close 4-hour candle below $1,280 level or $1,270 level, then definitely it will go to 1100. And if Ethereum break this upside resistance and move towards upside and close 4-hour candle with high volume, the only condition is the volume. Currently, let me please show you the volume. Currently, volume in this Ethereum chart is not very supportive, and here you can see volume is very less and very low volume. Here you can see volume is not very high and volume is very low. This is the indication maybe we see some sideways action in between these two horizontal and support lines. Let me please remove some of these drawings. Friends, please like this video because I am making these videos only for you. And let me please these both charts are very important to all of you. That is why I am focusing on these charts, Ethereum and Bitcoin. My next chart is Ripple. Here you can see Ripple break this, as I predict in my last video, that Ripple was in this symmetrical triangle, and I was told you if breakout happens, here you can see this breakdown happens and Ethereum is go to that point. Let me please calculate the target and let me please tell you. %3.74%. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Now currently what I am expecting from Ripple right now, let me please tell you. Here you can see. Here you can see Ripple is in this horizontal channel from past 3 days, I think so. Let me draw a horizontal line or horizontal ray. Here you can see. This is the upside resistance level. This is the downside support line, and Ripple is moving in this upside and downside. Let me please calculate the target. If it is 9.6% move, and if Ripple goes below and break this horizontal support line, which is at 0.277, then let me please tell you my target. Please let me make clone on this. Please stay in the video and please watch complete video because I will definitely tell you next bearish and upside both targets for you. 0.23 is the next target if Ripple break this horizontal support, which is currently at 0.257 or 0.258, and close overly candle or 4 overly candle below this. This will be the indication, and if volume support, then definitely it will go to 0.23, and if Ripple move towards upside, and then let me please show you my next target. Here you can see 0.31 $. This is the next target. If Ripple close 4 hour candle or more or 1 hour candle above this line, which is at 0.29 $0.286, then and This breakout, if Ripple did with high volume, then definitely it is going to $0.31 level. And if you want to open a new account of Bybit or Binance, then please go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can find the Bybit link, and you can get $600 bonus absolutely free. And if you want to open a Binance account, then please go to in this video's comment section and just click on this link and create your account to support me. Let me please let me please show you my next chart. This video is very important. That is why I am telling each and everything to all of you. Here you can see EOS was EOS in this symmetrical triangle, or you can say pennant, and breakout or breakdown I think will come within 2 or 3 days. Or if this happens today, then definitely it will go to 2.37, but the only issue is the volume. Volume is not supporting right now. Maybe we can see some maybe EOS break this, and after that we may see some sideways action like this. And if EOS break this downside resistance support line, which is at 2.51, and with high volume, then definitely it will go to 2.37. Let me please show you my next chart, which is LTC Litecoin. Here you can see this is very beautiful chart, and here you can see LTC break this support zone and LTC break this rising channel towards downside, and the target was here you can see 127. This is the bearish target for me right now. Maybe we may see some pullback, and if Litecoin break this upside resistance right now, which is $135 level, and close 4 hour or 1 hour candle above this line, 135 to $136 level, then definitely we will see some actions like this. Otherwise, I think it will go down to hit my target, which is 127. Let me please show you my next chart. This is the Wi-Fi USDT. Friends, daily I make video for you, and please show your support. This is the 1 hour Wi-Fi USDT chart, and currently Wi-Fi is struggling in this level. And if I pull out this, and then if I count this as a bull flag, not very accurate, but something like bull flag, bearish flag. And let me please arrange the targets. If Wi-Fi break this down trend line and close hourly candle below $28,700 level, then definitely I think it will break this support line and this support line too, and it will hit to 25,836. Otherwise, maybe we see otherwise maybe we see some sideways action like this, because it is struggling in this horizontal channel, and maybe we see some sideways action like this. So you can wait. If Wi-Fi break this upper trend line, which is at $31,000 level, then it will go high, and it will definitely hit, let me please tell you, $33,600. If Wi-Fi move towards upside and break this horizontal support, which is currently at $2,100 level, and close 4 hour or 1 hour candle above this, then this will be the target, 36,600. Otherwise, definitely it will go down to, let me please tell you my bearish target. These are the two targets, 25,800 and 25,630. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Linkcoin. Here you can see. I was told you in my previous video, Link was in this ascending triangle, and break this ascending triangle. I set this target 20.82, and now I think it will definitely going to hit this. And let me please calculate the price range. Here you can see. This is the 8.35%. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Now, what is the next target? I am still bearish, and maybe we see that it will go down to here, and after that maybe we see some pullback. Otherwise, it is going to hit this 17.52. But we have to watch very carefully, and if Link hold this level, which is $21 level, then it is good for the Link. Otherwise, it will go down to this level, and if Link hold this level, and then definitely it will pull back. Let me please show you my next chart, because video is getting very big. Here you can see this is the Stellar chart. Here you can see in my yesterday's video I was told you Stellar was in this horizontal channel, and Stellar break this towards downside, and my target was 0.2438, and Stellar hit 0.2520, and it is still going down. Let me please show you. This is the $5 move. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Let me please delay this. My next bearish target for the Stellar is 0.2430 or 0.3440 right now. And for this, Stellar must have to break this horizontal support line, which is currently at 0.2518. If Stellar break this horizontal support, and then definitely it is going to hit this. Otherwise, maybe it will go up, but I think it will go down to hit this target. Friend, please stay in the video and please watch complete video, because this is very important video, very important video. Because if you watch carefully, then definitely you will get maximum profit, I think. Here you can see this is the VChain chart. VChain is struggling in this two lines. Upside resistance is 0.0325 and downside support line is 0.0282. And if VChain break this horizontal support towards downside, then let me please calculate the target. VChain, sorry, this is VChain, not Chainlink. This is the bearish target currently for me for the VChain is it is at $0.024 level. This is the level 0.0241. If VChain break this horizontal support line, which is currently at 0.0283 or 0.0281, if VChain close hourly candle or 4 hourly candle below this level, which is at currently 0.0276 or 0.0278, then definitely it will go down to hit, I think, this level maybe. Otherwise we may see some sideways action like this. I think VChain must have to hold this downtrend line maybe, and after that we may see some sideways action like this. Or otherwise, if VChain break this, then definitely it will go down to hit this level. We have to focus at that level, which is currently at 0.02842 to 0.02878. Let me please show you my next chart, which is ADA USDT. In my yesterday's video, I was told you ADA was in this rising horizontal channel, and it break this horizontal towards upside, towards downside, and now the target for the ADA coin is 0.3133, and maybe we may see that ADA go to this level and hit this level, which is at 0.033 or 0.032, and after that we see a pullback. Otherwise, if Cardano break this support zone, then definitely it is going to hit this level, which is my target. Let me please show you my next coin. This is the Polkadot. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that Polkadot was in this rising channel and break this rising channel towards downside, and it is going to hit my target $16.06 level. And congratulations to all who took this trade and get 6.5% profit. Let me please show you the exact target. Exact profit 5.45, you can say 5%. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. My next biggest target is 16.06 for the Polkadot. Let me please show you the BNB chart. Here you can see this is the BNB chart. I was told you that BNB have a resistance level at that point for $43.4 level, and after that we see a rejection, and here you can see. Here you can see my target was 39.52 because BNB break this horizontal or rising channel towards downside. Then let me please show you the profit you get, and this was approximately the move 4.63%, and if you use 10x leverage, then you definitely get 46%. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. My next bearish target is, as I show you in my previous video, is 39.52. If BNB break this, then my next bearish target definitely it is the level 37.9. These are the two targets I am waiting for, 39.5 and 37.9 in Binance Coin. Let me please show you my next chart. Friends, I need your support. Please like this video and please show your support, because I make these videos only for you, and my aim is that I want to give you maximum knowledge, maximum trading knowledge to avoid losses. Here you can see in my previous video I was told you that Bitcoin Cash is in this horizontal channel, and currently it is in this horizontal channel still. If it break towards downside, then let me please calculate the target. If Bitcoin Cash break this horizontal support line, which is currently at $410 level or $411 level, and close 4 hourly candle below this level, then this will be our next target, next bearish target, $360 level. And if it hit this, and after that we may see a pullback, and then definitely it will go to sideways, and after that maybe it will go up. We have to watch this level very carefully, which is at $410 to $412 level. If Bitcoin close 4 hourly candle below this level, then definitely it is going to hit my target, $360 in Bitcoin Cash. My next coin is KMC. Here you can see KMC was in this horizontal channel and break this horizontal channel towards downside. The bearish target for me is $85 level, or maybe $86 level to me in Kusama coin. Let me please show you my next chart. My next chart is Algorand, and in my previous video I was told you Algorand was in this ascending triangle and break this ascending triangle towards downside, and definitely it is going to hit my target, which is $0.52 level, and if you took this trade, then congratulations to all. It is the 7.5% move. Congratulations if you took this trade. Let me please show you my next chart and final chart. It is the NEO USDT. Here you can see NEO coin is in this horizontal channel. If NEO break this horizontal channel and break this downtrend line, here you can see it is going down. If NEO break this level, this which is at $21 level, and close 4-hourly candle below this, then the next bearish target for me in NEO coin, let me please tell you. Oh my god, it is at $19.59 level. If NEO do not hold this support line and break this support line, which is at $21 level, $22 level, if any candle 4-hourly or 1-hourly candle close below this line, this support line, then definitely it is going to hit my target. Otherwise, maybe we may see a pullback, and definitely it will go to upside and maybe some sideways action like this. My last chart I am going to tell you. No, it is not. Let me please find this. Please friends, show your support. I am waiting, and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative content and very useful information, because I daily upload video and daily make video for you, and in which I told my next short-term targets, my next long-term targets, and please friends, do support me. And if you want to any coins technical analysis, then please comment this coin name in this comment section. Then I will definitely make this video, make a video for you. I am finding the chart of Tron. Let me please find this. This is the chart of Tron. This is my last chart. In my previous video, I was told you that Tron was in this rising broadening channel, and break this towards upside, towards downside, and here you can see it gives you 5.32% profit from that move. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Now, what is the next target for me in this Tron coin? Let me please tell you. Sorry for that. If Tron do not hold this support zone and break this support zone and close 4-hourly candle below this $0.0286 level, then definitely it will hit 0.2845, and maybe it will go down to hit 0.0280, or maybe it will go down to 0.027. Let me please. This is the level and this is the target, and if it pull back from that level, then definitely we may see some sideways action, and like this. These are the two targets, 0.028 and 0.02803. This is the video, friend. Please show your support. Please like this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to join Binance Exchange, then go down to this video's comment section where you can find the Binance link, and here you can find the Bybit link too. You can get $600 bonus if you deposit this BTC. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.